Nestled high in the mountains of Mariovo on the Macedonian Greek border, Dobro Pole is a place where history and nature meet in silence. Today, it is known for its breathtaking landscapes, endless green hills, and fresh mountain air. But more than a century ago, Dobro Pole became the scene of one of the most important battles of the First World War. In September 1918, Allied forces launched a major offensive against the Bulgarian and Central Powers positions at Dobro Pole. After days of intense fighting in the rugged mountains, the Macedonian Front was finally broken. This breakthrough had enormous consequences for the course of the war. Bulgaria, unable to continue fighting, became the first Central Power to capitulate. Its surrender opened the Balkans to the Allied armies and cut the connection between Germany and the Ottoman Empire. The collapse of Bulgaria soon triggered a chain reaction. The Ottoman Empire, weakened and isolated, surrendered shortly afterward, followed by Austro-Hungary, whose empire was already falling apart from military defeats and internal unrest. Germany was left alone, without allies and under increasing pressure on all fronts. Only weeks later, Germany was forced to seek a ceasefire, leading to the end of the First World War in November 1918. Today, Dobro Pole stands as both a place of natural beauty and a symbol of a turning point in world history. Surrounded by the peaceful wilderness of Mariovo, the mountains remind visitors how events in this remote region of Macedonia helped shape the outcome of one of the deadliest conflicts in human history.